Hi, in this video for the Ferguson Ariva 252 combo receiver, we're going to talk a little bit about the EPG and info buttons, okay? So the first thing to look at is the info button. So if you press that on a channel, it'll come up, it'll tell you what's on now, next, the time, the date, the time the program starts, it ends, and things like that. And it goes away after a few seconds, so you can see that. But if you press it again quickly in succession, second time, you can get a program synopsis of what's actually on now. And interestingly, depending on your eyesight, although I presume you'll want to leave it big, you can use the yellow AA button to make writing bigger or smaller, which is a very handy little neat feature in the box. Okay, but if you press the info button again when you're on that, you can pull up a mini EPG for that channel. Okay, so what I should say about the EPGs is on the Serview channels you'll have a 7-day EPG, but on the UK channels it'll only be now and next, so just be aware of that. So you can see there how that works, and you can actually just go down to the next program using the down button, and you can see the little program synopsis of what's on there. Okay. So the next thing to do then is look at the EPG. So on this particular remote for the Ferguson Ariva 252, it's called Guide, and it's just at the top right of the arrow buttons. So if you go in there, you can pull up the full EPG. So again, on the Irish Serview channels, you'll have a full 7-day EPG. So that's very handy. And I'll just scroll through and you can see there. So that's all well and good. So the next thing to look at then is basically on the UK end of things, just to show you there, we'll just scroll down through, you can see that it's just now and next. So you can see there, it just gives you what's on now, what's on next, and nothing after that. So it's just to be aware that it's a free to air box, so you just get now and next EPG on the satellite end of things. But as I say, on the Serview end of things, it's full 7-day EPG. So that's it basically, just a little bit about the EPG and info buttons on the Ferguson Ariva 252 combo receiver.